All right, you guys, let's talk about crevice of this little cleaning brush we have here. Thank you to the company for gifting this one to us. This was a set of three. It's a 3-pack. Really glad you guys sent it over. We are really enjoying using it. So if you come on over here, I'm going to show you what this little guy is used for. So here in the corner of our windowsill, I can clean out and get in the tiny little crevices and really get this space clean. Or better yet, I can come over here on this side and really get this junk off of here, and then I can vacuum this out to really clean this window. So really, really awesome little tool. Come this way. Little tool to have.
Ooh,
Yeah, it's
nasty.
nice. Yeah, but if we have this little tool here, we can get it all nice and clean. So awesome little crevice brush to have, especially with some, spring cleaning coming up. So if you are looking for a little brush to get into some tight places, this crevice cleaning brush is just the tool for you. And thank you again to the company for gifting this one to us. I'm going to love using it and going to help me definitely around the house.